Hi, meet Rasha, Associate Director, Trabas Institute. Hi, Rasha.
Hi, how are you?
Good. Rasha, give us a brief idea about Trabas Institute.
So, Trebas Institute is part of the Global University System Group. It was founded in 1979, and it's a private college operating in Quebec, and all our programs are approved by the Ministry of Education of Quebec. We have two campuses, one in Montreal that is located downtown, and the other one in Toronto. We offer a vast portfolio in the areas of music, film, business, and technology, as well as management programs. And Trebas is also a designated learning institution, and our promise is always to teach innovative courses which give students a competitive edge in their choosing industry.
Awesome. So, which programs that Trabas provides are really eligible for the postgraduate work permit, and how is the classes scheduled during study time?
So we have a lot of programs, but we just launched two new programs that are eligible to the postgraduate work permit. The first one is e-commerce and online business management, and the second one is audio and video post-production. Both programs are going to be given on 2 years. So the first program, e-commerce and online business management, includes an internship. Throughout this program, the student will learn how to successfully start and run an online business, how to develop, plan, and execute an online marketing plan, and much more. The other program, audio and video post-production, throughout this program, the student is going to achieve high proficiency in all the key software programs and equipment used in audio and video post-production, and much more than this. So
Great.
regarding our schedules, we have different schedules. We have during the day and during the evening, depending on the semesters. And the duration of the semester is 15 weeks long. And students spend on campus approximately 3 days per week. Regarding vacations, summertime vacations, Christmas holidays are already included, and we already planned this so that our international students can take vacations and return home. We are now taking registrations for the coming intake that is in January. We will have 4 intakes in 2021, January, April, July, and October.
So, Rasha, what are the academic and IELTS requirements at Trabas Institute?
So we are accepting students with an IELTS of 6.0. Students that have one module of 5.5, we're also accepting them. And we are accepting all other programs such as TOEFL, PTE, Duolingo, and much more.
Let us know about the application fee and the admissions process, also the turnaround time of your admission offer.
Yes, so all applications for admission must include the following. Students have to complete an application form, registration fees of $250, a copy of valid passport, a copy of birth certificate, and the most recent academic transcript or diploma. Once we have all those required documents, we are issuing offer letters within 16 to 24 hours maximum. I would also like to add that for our January intake, we have a scholarship of $4,000 and we are waiving the registration fees. So hurry up. This is for now only for the January intake.
Tell us something about life in Montreal.
So Montreal is one of the most exciting and culturally vibrant city in the world. Canada is a choice destination for talented people from all around the world to study, conduct research, and potentially migrate. I would say that Montreal is very known to be affordable in tuition fees. So Quebec has considerably lower international student tuition fees than other Canadian provinces. In fact, Quebec is one of the most affordable international education destination in the Western world. It is also known for its low cost of living. So accommodation, food, transportation, day-to-day expenses are very low in Quebec. And just to give you an idea of the expenses, so a single person could cost monthly without rent around 1,050 Canadian dollars. Transportation in Quebec is the regular price is $86, but when the person is a student, they can have the reduced price of $55 per month. And for the rent, just to give you an idea, one bedroom apartment outside of the center of the city is around $840. So all that to say that the low cost of living is very important in Montreal.
Do tell students something about the Can-Am relationship with Gus.
So we are very happy to have this partnership with Canam. We've been working with them for a long time, and we really appreciate this partnership. They have a very good service with students, very professional, and most important, they're very fast.
Thank you very much, Rasha. It was great talking to you.
Thank you very much.